What if tidying up your room could actually transform your entire life? In her global bestseller, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, Japanese organizing expert Marie Kondo offers more than a cleaning method. She reveals a path to clarity and joy. At the heart of the KonMari method is a simple question: does this spark joy? You keep only what resonates emotionally and discard the rest with gratitude. It's a radical shift from utility-based thinking to one based on emotional resonance. Marie Kondo insists that tidying should be done in one go, like a life-changing event, not little by little. This creates momentum and prevents you from falling back into cluttered habits. Rather than tidying by room, Kondo recommends tidying by category in a specific order: clothes, books, papers, komono, miscellaneous items, and sentimental items. This builds your decision-making ability step by step. Instead of rushing into storage solutions, Kondo says to declutter first. Only then should you organize. And when discarding items, thank them. This respectful mindset helps build a new relationship with your possessions. Tidying is not just about cleaning your space. It's about realigning your life around what truly matters. When your environment reflects your inner values, you create a space where joy naturally grows.